Welcome back. For this video, I'll be showing you how to enable offline mail for Gmail. So begin by opening Gmail. Then from here, you want to click on the settings icon. Next, select See All Settings. And you want to click on the tab labeled Offline. You should see the option Enable Offline Mail with a checkbox next to it. So you just want to click on that box to enable it. So from here, you have the storage. So it's telling you how much storage is currently available for offline mail. Then you also have the option to sync settings. So this includes storing emails, and you can choose how many days you want to store for. So for example, you have 7 days, 30 days, and 90 days. So it's up to you to choose your period. And then you can also choose to download attachments. So it's up to you if you want to not or to download the attachments. Then you'll need to choose if you want to keep data on your computer or you want to keep the data, remove the data from your computer every time you log out of your Google account. So you can choose to keep it on your computer or you can choose to remove it. It's up to you. And once you've made all of your choices and you finished customizing, you want to click on Save Changes. And then you'll be told offline not recommended for shared devices. So emails will remain on this device until offline mail is disabled. So if you have this same email added onto your phone, then you won't be able to access any of those emails until offline is disabled. If you're fine with that, and you're fine with the email staying on your computer, click on Got It and finish enabling offline mail. So once it's disabled, you will now be able to access your emails even when you're offline. So from here, you want to create a bookmark so it's easy for you to access your emails. So to do that, what you want to do is to go to Settings again, select See All Settings, click on Offline, and then create a bookmark for offline access. So click on that option, or you can just click on or you can just use a keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl+D. So go to your inbox and then select Ctrl+D. Then from here, you can now add your bookmark. So you can choose to add the bookmarks to your bookmarks bar or create a folder. It's up to you. And then click on Done. And so now, whenever you want to easily access your emails, you can just click on that bookmark and it will be brought to your offline mail. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.